and smartphone will be a mid-range with many functions, making it slimmer than the Moto G Stylus 2024. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The new smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. This is a high quality chipset. And to give more power this phone, there will be an octa-core CPU. And also it will be GPU of Adreno under the hood of this phone. The massive and gigantic AMOLED touchscreen display that will full HD plus the resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and 6.7 inches display screen size with a battery refresh rate of 120 Hz. There will be a Corning Gorilla Glass will be installed. The Moto G Stylus 2025 is going to have 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage capacity. If there will be a need to increase the memory status of the handset, so you can use a micro SD card. Moto G Stylus will be packed with dual rear camera and front camera will be 32 megapixel. The insecurity of users data, smartphone will be under display optical fingerprint scanner. The battery of this phone will be non-removable 5000 mAh with support of fast charging. Phone will run with Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.